we have been learning about. So we're going to use our knowledge of area and perimeter to solve problems and explain our reasoning. So we're going to use all that information that we have gathered over the last week or so. We've got a lot of information in our heads about how to find area, how to find perimeter. We're just going to use that and investigate, look for patterns, look for things that we notice, and use that information. So, this question, all of these rectangles have an area of 24 centimetres square. Complete the missing lengths. And there's two important questions here. What do you know? What do you need to find out? What do you know about a rectangle? Does everybody know about a rectangle? Little clue. What do you know about a rectangle?
The two sides are the same on each end.
Good. So, the two sides on each end. Ooh, can you remember the word we used for that yesterday? We used the word to describe that.
Parallel.
Good, well done. Parallel. The parallel sides, excellent, are the same. So we know if that's 2 centimetres, what's that got to be?
2 centimetres.
2 centimetres, it's got to be, hasn't it? It's going to be exactly the same. Okay. What do we know about these two sides?
Although they're equal to the parallel.
Yeah. To separate those two things out. So yeah, they are parallel and they are equal in length. Yeah. So they are equal in length and they are parallel. Yeah? Okay. So, if we know that's 2 centimetres, we know that that is 2 centimetres. Right. But we haven't got the length there. But we know the area is 24 centimetres squared. So what are we going to have to do to find that area?
Find out what times 2 is 24.
Good, yes. So you find out 2 times something is 24. So let's just pop it on here. Because we know that the area equals
Length times width.
Good. So, we know the area is 24 centimetres squared. The length, we don't know, but the width is 2. So something times 2 would be 24. Anybody got any thoughts about what that could be?
12.
12. It could be 12. Yeah? 12 times 2 would be 24. So, if that was 12, then what would that be? 12, yeah, because we know they've got to be the same. That would be 2, and that would be 2. Right, so I want you to use that to work out those. Okay? Have a go at those at home. And pause the video while you do them. And then I'm going to just explain 2 more. No. Instead of slide. Okay, so hopefully you've had a go at those 2. This one, all of the rectangles have an area of 36 centimetres squared. Complete the missing lengths. Right. If you find it difficult to multiply by 0.5 centimetres, what could you do instead? What did we do yesterday to help us out? We find it difficult to multiply by a half.
Make it a whole and whatever the answer is just divided by 2.
Yes, so yesterday we made it into a whole one, didn't we? And then halved it. Yeah. Okay. There's always a way around if you're not sure. Okay, so that's a way around that one. Now, with these questions, you need to be careful because the measurements are actually given in what unit? Millimetres, yeah. But the question says all of these rectangles have an area of 36 centimetres. So what do you think it would be a good idea to do?
Make them into centimetres.
I would convert them into centimetres. If you remember, there are 10 millimetres in a centimetre. So how would you convert that to centimetres?
You would divide by 10.
You would divide it by 10 and it will be
12.
12 centimetres. How would you convert that one?
Divided by 10.
Divide it by 10 and it will be 4
4
centimetres. Good. Okay. So you've got all the information you need. Have a go at that one. Off you go.